Bye. Long time no video, you guys. How you doing? So we are back again with another DIY. Today we are making turmeric and honey soap using our turmeric oil as well and some shea butter. Okay, so these are the things we'll be needing for this DIY. We almost ran out of soap and I figured that we need to make more soap. Bye, baby girl. So the first thing we're going to be needing, by the way, we're making this soap with the soap base. This goat milk soap base. Okay, so I'm going to cut this soap base into two, and then I'm going to dice and slice it or dice it right into small chunks so that it will be easy for it to dissolve. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now, and yeah, we'll move to the next level, get it into pieces, chunks, and then put it into our bowl, and then we're going to be using the melt and pour method. Okay, so double boiling method, so I'm going to be using hot water that is on the fire to melt this. Okay, so this is our diced goat milk soap base. So I'm going to be transferring this into the container I will use for the double boiling method. I'm not going to be using that glass plate so I don't have it broken. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So you guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. We are almost on the last quarter of last month of the first quarter. I hope you're achieving your goals. Well, a lot has happened to me in the short while, but in all, I'm grateful. So yes, I'm boiling the soap base is on the fire, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and measure out my turmeric, my honey, and the other additive I'll be adding to this soap. Okay, yeah, so that's my honey. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of honey for 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. So the next thing I'll do now, add our turmeric oil. You guys remember this turmeric oil? Who remembered it? Go back and look for it. It's on my video. It's here in this channel, so go and look for it. So I'm going to be taking 1 tablespoon of turmeric oil as well, and then add into this oil. And then we're also going to be adding one other oil, okay, because we need it to moisturize. You guys know that the skins are really dry in this period, so we need to moisturize. So I'm going to be adding shea butter into this mixture, just a little bit of it, so that your soap will not be so oily. So yeah, I'm adding this quantity into my mixture. I'm going to go ahead, combine this properly. That's what I'm doing right now, like right about now. Okay, so I'll be adding water to this mixture, you guys. A little bit of water so you don't go and put so much so your soup doesn't get bad. All right, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of water into this mixture. It's not really going to combine because that's oil and water. It's difficult to combine, but that's not a problem. Don't worry, it will combine eventually. All right, so I'm going to mix this properly before adding my water. So yeah, this is me adding a little bit of water into this. I'm going to mix this again, stir it properly, but unfortunately it's not going to combine, but that's not a problem. Don't worry, don't panic, I got you on this, trust me. So I'm just going to stir. Then yes, this is my dissolved goat milk honey base, right? So I'm going to pour this combination into that bowl, and that's where it's going to dissolve and combine properly. Okay, so you're gonna see how my soap, look at it, just look at it, look at that beauty. Look at it. So just look at it, looking so beautiful, right? So it has properly combined. I'm going to go ahead now, transfer it into my bowl, into my soap mold, and then allow this to sit for like 5 hours to get it solidified. Okay, and yes, that's about how you can make your own soap at home. No much complication whatsoever. It's quite easy. I hope you do enjoy this video. If you do, go ahead and thumbs up, comment. You can ask a question here in the comment section. Of course, I'll attend to you. See you guys.